I've got to a point, where I understand what goes into a product and what the effect is, and I want to see that effect. I don't want to hear that this is the best moisturizer. I want to see its effect on the hair. I don't want to hear that this is the best mousse. I want somebody to show me what I can do with that mousse. Product companies come to us and they bring products to us, and this is the best. This is our ethos. This is what it's about. But as hairdressers, we're like, show me. Show me something I can take away. Show me something I can relate to. And I think that's what we're going to do today. I have taught for a number of companies, and then over the years, what I found works better and better is the sharing of ideas. You're pretty much the only salon that's been able to hold 57th Street. So you guys are obviously doing something right already. Most of my consultation is through my hands and watching her hands. Okay, it's not verbal, because we all know verbal consultations lead us astray.